I have to
Go.
shoot from behind here?
What? Anything behind the line, I said. You understand?
I mean, sure, I guess. Okay.
There's no way.
10 more, please.
On what? Oh my god.
Dude, when all of a sudden were there so many people here, dude?
What is this?
Yo, we might actually be able to find.
I hate this game, bro. We're not doing this. Get down. Get down.
Get down?
What?
Come.
Bro, what?
Come here.
You already moved the line, bro.
No, I moved the line even further. Right here. They're behind the line.
You're gonna make me take shots from all the way back here?
No, come here. Come here. We're doing this.
You're forcing me to move all the way back here?
Yes.
That is not a possible shot, bro.
It's not happening.
He's not skilled like that. That's
Yeah.
He's not hitting
He
that
is
shot.
not hitting that, bro. There's no way.
Alright.
Oh my god, no way!
What do you mean?
Alright, I'll buy some more shots.
No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not doing this.
Actually?
This is ridiculous, Parrot. I've lost way too much money in this bets.